don't have enough finances to relocate abroad in 2026, if you are looking for a country with cheap and affordable way to relocate and become a permanent resident, if in 2026 you don't want to write IELTS, but you really want to relocate abroad in 2026, if you have family that you want to relocate with you wherever you are going, yet affordable, then Italy is the country you should not miss in 2026. Italy has the third largest strong passport in the whole world. And in today's video, I will be breaking down for you guys how you can move to Italy by force at a cheaper rate or even at no cost for free in today's video. We'll be looking at the step-by-step application procedure. We'll be looking at the proof. We'll be looking at how to move with your family. We'll be looking at the documents that you need to proceed and how to go about them in today's video. In 2026, I promise God one thing. I promise myself that you see my channel, you see my followers, many of them that are ready to relocate in 2026 must move. So if you are ready, comment "I must move abroad by force in 2026" in the comment section, because it is happening this year. And if you are seeing this video, you are not seeing it by chance. There is a reason you are seeing this video. So take action immediately. So guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adeze. If you are seeing me for the first time, I create content here to enable you to relocate abroad without breaking the bank. So if this is you, if you want to move abroad in 2026, this is the right place for you to be. Do well to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any important opportunity coming up on this channel. And yes, do not forget, we rise when we lift others. Do well to smash that share button. Share this opportunity to as many friends, family as possible, and like this video. It's the only way you can say thank you to other kings. So guys, let us proceed. In today's video, I will be discussing how you can relocate to Italy with a study visa. It is no longer news that the fastest way to move abroad is via study. Nobody should tell you otherwise. I mean, if you want to be in Italy this year, study route is your sure route. Now in Italy, they have different universities, different programs. But we have a lot of universities in Italy with no application fee and a cheaper school fees as low as 200 euros per year. I mean, for the whole academic year, your school fees is 200 euros. Some of these schools do not have application fee. Some of them have. Also, we have schools that their school fees ranges from 800 to 3,000 euros per year. So there are different categories of school. What I am saying is, if you did not get admission with the one that collects 200 euros, you should be getting admission with another one. Maybe the fee is high. But none of them is over 3,000 euros. Comparing to what we see in UK, Canada, Australia, and the rest of them. Listen, your placenta is not tied to the UK, Canada, or Australia. If where you are going is better than where you are coming from, consider moving. In Italy, we have a lot of scholarships to assist you with your studies. We have the Italian government scholarship, we have the regional scholarship, and a lot of scholarship. Let me focus on the regional scholarship. As the name implies, it simply means that different regions in Italy have their scholarship. How does it work? You will first of all get your admission. You know the region you have admission, then you apply to that region for their scholarship. This regional scholarship covers the tuition for the school fees, accommodation, some stipends, and living expenses. Another reason why I want you to jump on this opportunity is because in Italy, they are ready to support you if you can prove that you don't have money. They call it, I say, parificato. It's a document that you need to fill and send some documents, bank statements, and the rest of them to show to the Italian government, to these schools, that see, oh, I am not earning too much money, I am poor, I have more children to look after, I cannot afford the school fees. They will give you the opportunity to pay a flat school fees of 156 euros only. No matter your country, no matter where you are coming from, this is another reason I am recommending Italy for you. It is for anybody that is not financially buoyant, but you need to get going in 2026. Listen, if you are following me and you don't relocate this year, then I don't know what that's not all. For you to move to Italy, you can move with your entire family. You do not need IELTS to process this opportunity. And yes, moving to Italy as a student can lead you to permanent residence after 5 years of living in Italy. You see why I brought this opportunity to my besties. So if you are interested at this point, open your ears to listen to the documents that you need. Number one document you need for the initial application is the document for your international passport. You need a photo passport, the one you go to the photo booth and take a passport of your face. You need your degree certificate. You need your degree transcripts. And then you need your CV with your proof of English proficiency from your university. Remember, you don't just say you can speak English, meanwhile you don't have evidence to prove it. So you go to your university, the same way you request for your certificate and transcripts, you will request for your proof of English proficiency. These documents are for the initial application to the school. One good thing I love about Italian schools is that under 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you will get a feedback from the school if they are admitting you or not. When you get a feedback from the school, you now start the main process. So after you get an admission from the school, there is a document you will fill and submit. You have to get this document. I will tell you how to go about it later, called the Declaration of Value that you declare, you submit to the schools. Then you now proceed to start your legalization in your country. Italy does legalization of documents. If you're in Nigeria, you can do your legalization of documents in either Abuja or Lagos, depending on the region that you got admission into. Then, when you gather all these documents, you then proceed to visa application. This is how it works. When you apply for your study visa, you get a visa. When you arrive in Italy, you do your resident permits. I hope this is very clear. Now, there is also a proof of fund for you to migrate as a student to Italy. As of last year, this proof of fund is between 6,000 to 7,000 euros per year of academy. Now, this proof of fund can be your bank statement. It can be a fixed deposit. It can be a scholarship letter. If you are lucky to get any of these scholarships, you don't need proof of fund. You just present the letter showing you have a scholarship. There is no need for proof of fund. You see why I said it can almost be free. Then, if your parents is sponsoring you, yes, your parents can sponsor you. All they need is to provide their bank statement and a sponsorship letter showing that they are sponsoring you. Is this clear? So you see, there are different ways to go about these things. So the proof of fund needs to be in your account for the period of 3 months or more, depending. So you're going to print it before you do your visa application. So what I'm saying is, if you are going for Italy, start now to start building your proof of fund. All right, guys. How do Ada Kings Limited come in? I will tell you how we are going to come in before I go to my laptop to show you one of the schools that is open now. Number one, I have a mentorship class for people that wants to move abroad by force in 2026. I will encourage you to join that mentorship class. That class we are doing Canada, Australia, European countries, UK. So if you're in that class, you have entered everything. We also have our Odoku package. Our Odoku package is strictly one-on-one. You don't need to be in the class unless you want to be. Once you book our Odoku package, it's one-on-one. Everything is tailored to you. I will drop the link to join my mentorship. Now, if you are in my mentorship class, for those in the community, for the 30 days mentorship, The mentorship class supposed to start on the 17th of February 2026. But because I want many of you to apply to this opportunity, we are doing Italy applications on the 1st of February 2026. I have told them how to gather documents for me in the class already yesterday. So if you are interested, trust me, you will need help along the way. You will need help with a lot of things. To get the document for the declaration of value, you will need help. You will need help with your legalization. You will need help with a lot of things, proof of fund, along the way. So don't do that. You can do it, and along the line, you come to my email and start wanting me to leave people that are in my mentorship to start giving you attention. It will not work. Join the mentorship now. If you want to relocate in 2026 and you are not in my mentorship class, you are not ready to relocate yet. I promise you. So guys, so join the mentorship. I will pin the link in the description box and in the comment section. Look at the phone number on the screen, +44 790 330 9949. I have put it on the screen. Send us a WhatsApp message only that you want to join the mentorship. Maybe you cannot pay online or you want to pay by direct bank transfer. Send us a WhatsApp message. WhatsApp only, no calls. Then we are going to send you a link to pay. Once you pay, you will see the link to enter the group automatically. You join. Please, 1st of February, we are starting applications for this. All right? For those in the group. All right. So, guys, with that being said, this is where Adakins is coming in. Remember, our mentorship class comes with free CV and cover letter to your country of choice. You have every reason to join that program. With that being said, let me go to my screen and show you evidence of one of the schools that are open and the deadline for application so that it doesn't look like I'm just talking. So let me show you on my screen what is obtainable. I'm going to show you one out of the numerous schools that will be applying to in my community. So please join my community. Let's go. As you can see on my screen, we have the link here, University of Palermo, guys. And you can see for non-EU students, international entry qualification. This is the international affairs, international students enrollment. This is where I am right now. So if you are from international, this is the master's degree program. You choose your degree. You prepare all required documents. Every document will be in PDF file. You register on the student portal. You start the enrollment application. You apply and all that. Then there is a timeline. The first application is open now. It opened on the 15th of January 2026. As you can see on my screen, they call it the first call, and it will close on the 15th of March 2026 for the second call. All right. Then for the second application, we open on the 15th of April 2026 to close on 20th of July 2026. And then you see when to start paying your school fees. You see master's degree course enrollment application is that period. Then in the month of April 2026, they will start universality application. All right, there's what that is when you fill that form, the creation of value I said, and submit to them and all that. We have personal knowledge interview, Microsoft Teams. As of November, you do interview, then you pay your tuition fee deposit as of December 2026. So you see, you have a lot of the year to do all these things. So I think it depends on the batch that you belong. You can see how everything has been detailed for you. So yeah, so get started. You have the whole year to do this. Now, which documents do they need? A valid international passport, passport photo, copy of your bachelor's degree, copy of transcripts, the degree certificate, and your CV. Now, the tuition fee, guys, for those of you that think maybe she don't know what she's saying, for the tuition fee, they say non-EU students residing abroad. I'm not the one that said this thing. It is highly written here on their website. Non-EU students residing what? Abroad. This is for you. Non-EU students residing abroad can choose to pay the tuition fee according to one of the following options. Now, they have three categories. List A. If your country is in List A, you will pay 206 euros for the entire year for your school fees. If your country is in List B, you will pay 256 euros for your school fees for the entire year. If your country is not in any of the list, your school fees is 356 euros. Are we good? Now, the document I'm talking about, tuition fee adjusted to the family's economic situation. Let's say you don't have money. I will explain this again. There's a document called IC Parificato. I see parificato to prove that, see, oh, I am not earning more money. My family, we are poor. We cannot afford it. You will be asked to pay a fixed amount of 156 euros, despite where your country list belongs. So these are the documents you send to them to prove that, yes, indeed, my family needs financial support. Are we good? So guys, when you are done with everything and you check the programs that are eligible, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm trying to make this video as snappy as possible because I've passed the main information. You just come here and click on the link to apply. Now, for those of you in my class, I'm going to teach you how to get your Italian tax code. But if you don't have it, just come here, they say international students, and click on continue and proceed with your application. But for those of you that have the Italian tax code, then you put it here and guess that I'm going to teach this to those in my class. So guys, once you get started, you fill out this form and submit. Remember, all these requirements you are seeing here is for this particular school. This is just one of the schools, one of them. This is just one of the schools. We have a lot of the schools. And I forgot to let you know that you do not need any age limit for this application. There is no age limit. So let me talk about that document I just showed you on the screen. That document means that if you don't have enough money, if your family is poor, you can apply to these people and say, look, I have larger number of children. I am not earning big amount of money. Please, I cannot afford the school fees. And you will be paying a flat rate of 156 euro for your school fees. Yes, you can do that from Nigeria, Uganda, anywhere you are. It's for international students. So guys, I hope you will be starting this application. I will encourage you to join our 30 days mentorship. Join that mentorship because along the line you will be choked. Along the line you will need assistance. Along the line you will need help to do one or two when it comes to this application. Now, before I go, I forgot to mention, in Italy, guys, once you register as a student, remember all the programs here is for English students, English taught students. But as a student, once you register, you will be required to enroll for linguistic studies. It's not part of your school curriculum. It is what they do for all the students coming to Europe, to Italy, so that you can learn Italian. Because this is going to help you in your everyday communication to scale far in life. And trust me, having a second language is always a plus. So clock it. Clock it. It's always a plus to have a second language. So I highly recommend Italy if you are not financially buoyant. It's for everybody. The country is open, and Italy have one of the highest visa acceptance rates in history. So their visa acceptance rate is high and it is also fast. Just follow the process. Now, before I go, I will give you one tip. It is not how far, but how well. Don't rush now to do application. It is not running away. There is two different batches. It is not running away. This is not the only school. It's better to gather your documents. Do a good CV. Do the right thing. Right? Do the right thing. It is not how far, but how well. Make sure you are doing a good application that will earn you this opportunity, and not to rush to do the application. At the end of the day, nothing. You will lose in both sides. So please, I would highly encourage you to take your time and trust the process. So guys, I wish you guys the very best of luck. And like I said, if you are joining my mentorship, we will give you a link to those people that will help you do your legalization. You just sit in your house, give them documents, they will do legalization for you. We'll connect you to people for POF and the rest of them. So guys, join our mentorship. I will see you guys tomorrow, Tuesday, on another video. For now, bye besties. Bye.